Hi guys, and welcome to the educational intraday trade analysis video for today. Okay, so in this video I'll be talking about how I've analyzed today's trade. Okay, so this is a chart what I've traded for today, and this is a region where I've entered for long trade for today. Okay, so this is a breakout what we have got for today. So as you guys can see here, the marked line represents one of a resistance level. So you can see this level is almost acting as a resistance level for most of the time, and even today it has acted as a resistance. But yes, we can see here, as it gave a breakout in the morning itself, the momentum was bit higher towards the buyer side, and it has gone up a bit, and again it has taken the resistance and it has come down. Okay, so as I was trading in a disciplined way for intraday trading, I kept my realistic target and it was achieved here. Okay, so after that as achieved, then the stock price started to reverse. Okay, so again there was a short sell formation here. As you guys can see, as I said you, this was an one of our important resistance level. So yes, even in today's scenario, this resistance level has acted good. Okay, and you can see once the resistance level was taken and once the price came below this level, you can see the price has come down throughout the day. Okay, so this is how the price action has been worked for today. So according to my strategy, so you can see here, we have traded without any indicators for this particular trade. Okay, so if you guys are interested to learn more about intraday trading and want to learn more skills and knowledge in trading, you can contact on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen for more educational details. Okay, and please note this video is only for educational purpose, and this is not any investment advice. Okay, so if you guys are interested to learn more and gain more knowledge on trading, you can contact on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.